Hi everyone, it is Sunday and I'm kicking off outfit of the week. What am I wearing today and what am I up to? So got up, went to the gym, had a 7:15 class, not too bad today, I survived. Went straight to food shopping all sweaty, purchased my peppers and my turkey and my salads for the week, came home and prepped my peppers, took my shower, and here I am. What am I up to today? Well, my husband's currently working, but when he gets off of work, we're meeting some friends in the town I grew up in and just having lunch at the diner. The town I grew up in is probably a halfway point from where we both live now. And other than that, not doing much else today. Good news is it's a short work week for me. I'm only working till Wednesday, and I am relieved by that. Thursday and Friday, I decided to take off to spend some time with my daughter who's going back to college on Saturday. So what am I wearing for today's events? It is warm out again today, 80s, humid. I decided to wear this magenta eyelet top from Ever Eve that I got in a Trendsend. It's a button-down shirt with complete eyelets, so you must wear like a cami underneath. I'm wearing a nude cami underneath. I paired it with my white Democracy straight leg jeans that I got from Amazon, I believe it was last year. And my belt also too from Ever Eve, which I think I got in Trendsend, can't recall. And my white slides by Dolce Vita, I believe they are. Or nope, sorry, I think these are Steve Madden slides. Yes, Steve Madden slides. And yeah, this is what I'm wearing today to just go to a diner in the day. And that is it. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Monday morning and I came back from the gym a little late today because I had a 90-minute class today. Completely wiped me out. Took a shower, got dressed. I'm starving. I will be eating right after this. So what am I wearing for today? I do have to work today. I don't know, it's only a 3-day work week for me. Thank goodness. I took Thursday and Friday off to spend time with my daughter before she goes back to school. So I decided to wear my Loft sleeveless sweater. So I'll show you right here that it is sleeveless, but because I always get cold, I threw on this very light little blazer that I got from a Stitch Fix years ago. It's a Kenzie blazer in this neutral light tan color. I have paired on a pair of jeans that I received from a Stitch Fix. They're a plain, simple, dark wash, straight leg. I forget who they are. I think they're Cosmic Blue Love, but won't swear to it. And the shoes are my Steve Madden, probably 2 years ago from the Nordstrom anniversary sale. All right, and that is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is 7:23 a.m. My daughter's still sleeping, so I'm trying to be a little bit quiet for her. Today is Tuesday and it's overcast and it is technically my Thursday because I took off Thursday and Friday this week. So tomorrow's my last day of work this week and I have a 5-day weekend. Went to the gym this morning, was a regular class. It wasn't like overexerting like the 90-minute was yesterday. So not too bad. Came home, showered, and I am taking off tomorrow from the gym. So I'm also excited about that because I could get to sleep a little bit later. So what am I wearing today? It's only going to be like in the 70s. So I'm starting to break out my fall or spring stuff that I can wear again. I am wearing this light blue Moto by Blank NYC. I believe I got this from a Nordstrom haul after watching Laura from Little Box of Happy get it first. I'm pretty sure. Underneath that, I have a short sleeve Form Me, or actually it's called Form. Actually, I call it Form Me, but it's actually Form shirt from White House Black Market. I'll be honest with you, I'm not too fond of these as shirts. They're fine with the top over it, but they're very form-fitting, hence the name. So it kind of shows every lump and bump. But I'm wearing my jacket on with it, so I'm okay with that. I have paired on my Liverpool pull-on plaid pants. These pants have like a darker blue, a lighter blue, even a little green in them, and like a taupe background. So there's lots that can go with these pants, but I typically just wear this with the light blue because I look for things to wear with my light blue Moto. And I paired on my little ivory loafers. And this is what I'm wearing from working from home today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is 7:50 in the morning. My daughter's still sleeping, so I'm trying to keep it down for her. It is dark, cloudy, and overcast today. Today was a rest day for me. I really needed it, and I slept late till 6 o'clock. So for me, 6 a.m. is late. Felt glorious. And here I am now. So before I show you out for the day, I'm going to tell you that most of you are not going to like my outfit. And I'm going to be the talk of YouTube about why this middle-aged old lady is wearing this outfit. But sorry, I have my own personal style. I like this outfit. I think it's cute. So am I going to wear it all the time? No. I'm going to wear it to all occasions? No. But sometimes I feel like being cutesy. And today I'm pretty cutesy. So I'm wearing right now this little sweater from Les Serene. I got it from a Stitch Fix. I thought it was adorable. Love the little different knitting here on the sleeves and the little like ruching that makes it puffed and the ribbing down front. Now the material on this I'm not really fond of. It's kind of like a scratchy kind of material, but it doesn't itch or anything. It's just not soft. With it, I have paired a loft skirt. This skirt is many years old, like circa 2018. It's a black and white window pane style, and where the window panes meet, it almost looks like a polka dot because it's the white crossing over the white. With it, I have paired my new black loafers. I'm starting to get accustomed to flat shoes. These are quite comfy. They're patent leather style. I also got them from a Stitch Fix, and I have a pair of white and black polka dot Target socks on with this outfit. And this is my outfit today from working from home. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everyone, it is Thursday and it is 10 a.m. so I'm going to try and do this without my ring light and without my hi-hats because I think I have enough light here, hopefully. So today I took off from work to spend time with my daughter. We're going to go to the outlets and do some shopping for back to school. And I went to the gym later this morning, slept in late. I took a 7:30 class instead of a 5 a.m. Huge difference. And yeah, so what am I wearing today to go shopping around an outlet center? So I am wearing this White House Black Market sweater that is like a crochet style, but it's like almost a nylon material. So it's very thin and it can pull very easily. You have to wear a cami under it. I happen to have a matching cami from probably 20 years ago, no joke, from either New York and Company or The Limited. It's like really old. So that's one thing. Don't be so quick to get rid of your things out of your closets, ladies. You know, think about it. Really think about it. Is it dated? Is it taking up a lot of space? Is there any time I might want to wear this again? All right, so keep those things in your closet if the answer is yes to any of those questions. I kept this, very happy I did, because now I have a layering piece underneath. With it, I just have paired my Judy blue pants, or jeans, I should say, in this ivory color, very comfortable. They're the kit crop style. I know a lot of people aren't fond of that style. I think it's kind of cute. And I'm wearing my crochet Dolce Vita sneakers because we're going to be doing a lot of walking around the outlets today. And this is my casual going shopping outfit. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Friday and I'm off again today. Yesterday I spent the day shopping with my daughter, spent a small fortune. And today my husband already started packing up the car because we're bringing her back tomorrow. So today we're just taking her out to breakfast, later going out to dinner with her tonight, and I getting a massage this afternoon. So what am I wearing today for this casual events? I am wearing this Aster the Label cotton sweater that I got from Amazon. Try before you buy. Adorable. It's in this like what I would call a spring green color. Not quite, they called it lime, but I would not consider it as lime. To me, lime is definitely darker and bolder and more intense. This is more of like when I think back at the Crayola crayons, spring green. I'm wearing them with my Lola jeans that I got from my very first front door fashion. They kind of have this little fringe here on the side and the darker wash here, like a tuxedo stripe. And another piece of fabric here that is a different wash stitched in. I like these. They're different, unique. They're a straight leg style. And I'm just wearing them with my Dolce Vita platform shoes. And this is my outfit for today. You won't be seeing my outfit for tomorrow because I'll be all day traveling and moving in my daughter. If you're curious what I'm wearing for that, the weather turned very cool here. In the morning, it's only in the 60s and it's only going to be a high of 80. So I'm going to be wearing a pair of jeans that are shorter in nature, sneakers, a red tank top because we'll be moving her in and I know I'm going to get sweaty in the dorms. And then I'm going to wear over that a button down that is from Wantable that's like a white cotton very soft cotton top with blue stripes in it. And that's what I'm going to be wearing tomorrow to move her in. Expect to get tired and sweaty by the end of the day, but like I said, in the morning when we're moving her in, it's only probably going to be in the 60s. All right, thank you again for hanging out with me. Give me a thumbs up, click that notification bell if you haven't already, and of course, if you haven't, subscribe. Take care, and until next week.